This 2025 Keystone Fuzion 440 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Cibolo, Texas, 78108 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Antonio. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone and features a charcoal interior, sleeps 9, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.